We don't have any medicine. I don't have any medicine, so I will give you. The medicine is your practice, your efforts, your perseverance in order to acquire a good fluency in our speaking. So these are the things which we have. Are you afraid of speaking in English? Do you face difficulties when somebody is asking you to speak in English? It is very common thing. It happens with everybody. Because I believe that having a fear of speaking or any kind of fear when we are gonna do something, so this is very common in nature. So fear is the human nature. It happens with everybody. It doesn't mean if somebody is a fluent speaker and suddenly if we are approaching that person, so that person is not gonna have that fear. So it happens with everybody and we need to take it as a nature. In today's video, I'm gonna discuss some sort of real tips that will help you to overcome fear. So in today's video, I'm gonna explain how to eradicate this fear of speaking in English. If you just want to learn some practical tips, so make sure that you're gonna stay tuned with this video till the end. Some people say that if you have the courage of speaking, you will get rid of fear. It is completely a myth. Being a human, you cannot get rid of fear. That's the reality. But if you have the courage of speaking, if you have that courage to speak out loud in front of the people, so courage means it is not gonna allow fear to stop you. That's what courage means. You have this ability to speak in front of the people, so you cannot completely remove this fear of speaking from your mindset. Now I'm just moving forward. Now we are going to understand the fear. What kind of fear that we have. So the first thing that I just want to consolidate here, that is fear of making mistakes. I believe that everybody makes mistake. It is also human nature. If you are not making mistakes, you are not learning anything. That's what I believe. So making mistakes, it's a part of learning. And I believe that if you're not making mistakes, you haven't tried anything new. So what you need to do, being a language learner, you need to do one thing. Make mistakes, correct it, and move forward. The first thing is that making mistakes. And it's very common in nature to make mistakes. And if you didn't learn this thing to laugh at yourself, you haven't learned anything. Suppose sometimes we think that, okay, I'm making a mistake and what other person will think about it, they will laugh at me. Let them laugh. Firstly, learn how to make fun of yourself. You need to laugh at your mistakes. Then if the other people, they are laughing at you, it will not affect you at all. So the first priority is to learn how to laugh at your own mistakes. So this is really great thing. This is gonna make your learning enjoyable. And this is not gonna affect you at all if the other person is laughing at you. Because if you know how to laugh at your mistakes and how to correct it, and this is gonna make it enjoyable. You need to make a tiny goal that you're not gonna repeat that mistake again. Yeah, that's the thing which you can do. So making mistake is completely fine, because when I was learning this language, I was also making a lot of mistakes and the other person was correcting me. So sometimes we take this thing negatively, but I believe that if somebody is correcting you, so you are lucky that you got this kind of people, that you got these kind of people who are there for you to correct you. Yes, absolutely. But somehow it depends upon the situation as well, how the person is correcting you. Is he or she correcting you in a positive manner or in a negative manner? And one more thing that I just want to include here, if you don't have these kind of people who are making fun of you, who are saying that you cannot learn this language, it's very complicated language, I cannot see any kind of improvement in your English, so somehow these people are gonna work as an inspiration. Because of these people we start learning, and we just try to prove these kind of people wrong. So that's the good thing. And in a different context, if I'm gonna look at this scenario, the other person, when my handwriting wasn't good at all, so one person told me that like you cannot improve your handwriting. So what I did, I started writing 3 to 4 pages every day, and after 1 year I improved it. And now even I immersed myself in calligraphy and some other things. Somehow I can give some sort of credits to that person who told me this thing, you cannot improve it at all. You are not able to speak, they are saying that you cannot speak English, something like that. So you'll be taking it in a negative manner. But when you make a tiny goal because of these people to prove them wrong, in the end you will realize that if that person wasn't making fun of me, I will start learning this language. So somehow currently you feel that these people are completely negative, but you have started something new because of those people. So in the end you will realize. So, and I believe that criticism is very important, but depending upon the other person how they are criticizing you, whether the person is judging you on the basis of only your negative key features of speaking, or that person is including some sort of positive key features of speaking. So this is also very important with whom you are practicing. And I believe that if you are in the elementary stage of learning, you need to be away from the negativity, because in the elementary stage of learning we should find those people who can empower you. Yes, because sometimes the empowerment or the inspiration and the motivation, it works as a medicine. Yes, if somebody is a beginner and that person is getting through judgment, so somehow it is gonna put them down. Absolutely, I have realized this thing. You should find those people who are gonna provide you a judgment free atmosphere, and you need to identify your abilities. This is also one of the biggest thing that I'm adding here. So here I have mentioned some sort of things. Now let's move forward. What you need to do next. If you are in the elementary stage of learning, so practice every day. It is very important. You need to practice every day because consistency is a key. That's what I believe. So what you need to do is just try to practice on daily basis. And the second thing which I just want to mention here, a lot of people, they run behind vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation and everything. So do not do that much which you cannot digest. Just eat that much which you can digest. Try to make small goals rather than running behind big goals. Suppose somebody told you that your pronunciation is not good. Now you have made a big plan for pronunciation, and that person is saying your pronunciation is not good. Then you started learning about the pronunciation. Do not do this. The first priority should be your fluency. So how you can acquire fluency? By speaking more. As much as you can, just try to speak. The more you speak, the more improvement you can see in yourself. And the practice which you are doing for acquiring fluency, it is gonna bring you close to the clarity of fluency. And definitely this is gonna allow you to experiment with fluency. So this is the thing which you need to do. We don't have any medicine. I don't have any medicine, so I will give you the medicine, then you'll get rid of it. It's not like that. The medicine is your practice, your efforts, your perseverance that you're putting in order to acquire a good fluency in our speaking. So these are the things which we have. So fear is normal. Take it as a normal nature of a human. Do not allow it to stop you. That's what I just wanted to say. I also have fear. When I make videos, then I check it out. Oh my god, I'm gonna make any mistake. How am I speaking? Am I looking good in my video or not? I just check all these things seriously. Yeah, but still I'm just trying. When I was trying to create my first video, so I was completely nervous because it's a nature. But now I'm trying. Every day I'm learning new things, how to record my video, and sometimes I make mistakes, so I just recall that sentence, what I need to speak. Yes. Basically, I believe that whenever I make videos, so if you are following any kind of a script, so it will be difficult for you. But when we speak naturally, so you'll be able to speak spontaneously. Seriously, this is what I have realized. The topic, oh, this is the topic, and then I just go through some sort of bullet points. Okay, this is I need to include in today's video. That's it. Otherwise, what I'm doing, I'm just speaking naturally, and whatever is popping into my head, I'm just speaking out loud. So this is the real way of having any kind of confabulation with the people. So what we need to do, whenever you are speaking, just try to make it natural. Speak whatever is coming in your mind. You are making mistakes, completely fine. Yeah, it's completely fine. Try to speak more. Whenever somebody is asking you any questions, so only you need to develop this habit, speaking more. Because when we speak more, so not only this is gonna allow you to bring you close to the fluency, but also by speaking more, you are gonna develop your notions, your ideas, right? So this is the thing which you need to do. I hope these things are gonna help you to overcome this fear of speaking. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question that is popping into your head, make sure that you're gonna write down in the comment section below. And I hope this thing is gonna help you. And lastly, I will say that do not allow this fear to stop you. It's completely fine. you have the fear, but keep trying. Try it again and again. Yeah, I also have the fear of speaking in front of the people, but once I tried it, I'm just trying it again and again. Similarly, you can do that. When we try something again and again, when we try to do something on daily basis, so it becomes a habit. Seriously. And you're gonna be habitual of it. And when it will convert it into a habit, then it will come automatically in your speaking. Whatever the sentences which you're learning and whatever the action which you are doing, so you need to memorize all those things in your mind. So this is gonna allow you to bring you quite close to fluency. So I hope it's enough for today's video. So see you in the upcoming video with some amazing topics. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.